you should potentially consider a life of public service. I think more and more young people are saying, I'm not doing that, I don't want to deal with it. There's a sacrifice that you take, right? He talked about this onslaught of criticism. He's got to listen to that all the time. His family's got to see it, right? In the newspapers, in the media. And I think that's a critically important part. But as he said today, his decision to join the police force after having been brutalized was a decision to enable change in that space. And if we're gonna hope to see change, we gotta get into these spaces.
37% of Brooklyn speak a language other than English at home. One of the most diverse boroughs, yet we're moving throughout this borough and this city where we don't even speak to each other. We don't interact with each other. We don't learn from each other. And although we're diverse, we live and exist in these silos. It's going to be healthy to start talking to each other. Communication is something we don't teach. We expect people to learn it, and communication is not, I'm just going to wait till you finish a sentence so I can tell you how wrong I believe you are. We want people to start using the humanistic characteristic of just open their mouths and their ears and listen and be deep listeners.